Welcome to watch today's Fresham. After inheriting the property from their late parents, the clients approached Madeleine Blanchfield Architects to maximize the potential of the apartment before selling. Spanning two wings of a 1970s building in Sydney's Darling Point, the apartment held promise yet had not been touched for decades. There were significant issues, including solid walls in the way of one of Sydney's best views, says director Madeleine Blanchfield. The expansive floor plan, once comprising two separate apartments merged by a previous owner, also lacked clarity, with a series of spatial arrangements and circulation paths impairing its atmosphere and sense of connection. The team were entrusted to reshape the home for an unknown future owner, inspiring them to explore new possibilities and prioritize the most fitting solution for the site. Unusually, the building's concrete columns were set back from its corners, allowing for unobstructed corner views that enhance the space's freeing dynamic. Fine, sliding window suites by Vitroxa pull into the corners, enabling the space to be adjusted in response to weather conditions and the occupant's needs. Lifting these wide expanses of glazing up to the 11th floor was challenging. They were craned up, blowing in the wind, but it was worth it, says Blanchfield. The result is an open and inviting setting, at once immersed in the elements but well protected from them.